Welcome to Graphic Vision. If you have not subscribed to this channel, so quickly click on the subscribe button. How we can create Yin Yang logo using simple technique. First of all, open your Illustrator and go to Ellipse tool. Select that tool. Now click on the artboard and you will see a pop-up box. Set the width 300 and height 300 pixel and then press OK. Now a circle will appear on the artboard. Give the stroke value of 15 to that circle. Now again right-click on the artboard, and set width value and height value 150 pixel. Create another copy of this circle, and align all these circles center. Drag this small circle little bit up and another one is little bit down. After this, go to the direct selection tool and click on that, and remove the edge by pressing delete button on the keyboard, and you have to delete this another one too. Now you can see that it is looking like Yin Yang design. Now put another circle and give the circle stroke value 0 and fill the color white. Place this circle center of this logo and duplicate this circle from it. You can do that by Shift plus Alt and drag it down. Now increase this circle stroke weight a little bit more. I am giving it 26, you can give it anything you want. Now fill the color in this logo. Click only stroke area of this logo. Open object bar and go to compound path, then click on make button. Now you can see that our logo is ready. I hope you like this video. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.